This is the crowning glory of Scania's urban offering, the new L-Series cab, specially tailored for city operation. The new placement of the driver's seat, in combination with a lowered dashboard and slimmer A-pillars, positions the driver at the same height as the surrounding traffic. Both the driver and passenger are positioned equally low. These features together create an overall safety improvement, meeting the toughest standards. The L-Series also has several features improving working conditions for the driver. The entirely new single boarding step, together with automatic kneeling, will save time as well as giving better ergonomics. The ability to drive while in the kneeling position is a very handy feature in certain operations. The all-new wide door creates easy, comfortable access to the cab. The ergonomic changes characterize the cab in every part that the driver will interact with. The controls are all easily accessible as part of the design in the new generation Scania trucks. Scania's crew cab, which is widely considered to be the best in the industry, has become even better. The new climate system is state-of-the-art, divided into two separate systems for the driver and the crew areas. The improved visibility also increases safety. Scania's recent introduction of rollover side curtain airbags has been taken into the crew cab. Besides the two front airbags, customers also have the option to add up to 4 rollover side curtain airbags. The city-safe window in the passenger door is a refined feature that adds safety for the driver and all those around. This, combined with other features, takes the greatest crew cab in the industry to a new level in keeping crew members well protected. The all-new 7-litre engine gives a higher payload in combination with reduced fuel consumption. Fuel savings of up to 10% are possible. The engine is well suited for urban settings, with the low noise and smooth operation. This is a shining new star in the Scania range. Despite its size, this machine is an uncompromising creation of performance, robustness, and reliability. The overall lower weight allows for a higher payload. Torque from low revs marks a fuel saver with great drivability. The lower engine tunnel makes the cab more spacious. This also opens up for new possibilities in interior layout with more storage capacity. The recently launched P-Series cab has the strong visibility and safety features of the new truck generation. This is the most versatile cab range, now more optimized for urban use. Simply the best driver station in its class. Entrance to the cab is low, making it easy to climb in and out. The driver's position creates a great view of the traffic ahead. The new P-Series is the perfect tool for operation in an urban setting. The improved working environment, the easy entry and exit encourage calm and safe city driving. The new 13-litre gas engine becomes the spearhead of Scania's range of alternative fuel solutions. This will help transport customers in meeting environmental targets. This engine makes a strong duo with the new 9-litre. The gas and biogas engine range becomes stronger with the capabilities of the 13-litre, together providing the widest selection of alternative fuels in the industry. This also makes gas suitable for regional distribution, urban construction, and long-distance distribution. All of this with the same or better performance compared to diesel options. Scania's new urban range include new products and services for customers in urban and regional distribution, waste management, fire, rescue and airport services. Key focus areas have been to improve payload, fuel economy, safety, visibility, and a range of sustainable solutions.